Hello and welcome to Forest Thrills. In today's video we are in the Radisson Red in Glasgow. Before we go any further, if you're new to the channel, click down below and click subscribe because you don't want to miss this. Now let's take a closer look and see what it's all about. So firstly, I'll start off at the door. We have our emergency evacuation plan and peephole. And next to this, you'll see this, putting my feet up. And that is exactly what we're going to be doing tonight because this room is lovely. Now turn around and there is the bathroom. I'll show you shortly. But as you come in, there are some hooks on the wall. If you want to hang anything, you can. The entranceway is massive, so you're not going to struggle for space in here either. Now I'll take you in, give you a brief overview. Really modern room. And you'll notice on the wall it is covered in artwork. From this side all the way over, continued onto the wardrobe. Even on the wall here as well. See this lovely piece? I've never seen anything like this in a hotel room before, so we thought that was really cool. Of course, as well, you can't forget the main feature, the huge bed. Now I'll take you to the side where you'll find this lovely modern lamp situated on top of a lovely modern bedside table. TV remote. There is a QR code. If you need to scan it, check anything, feel free. You'll also find a plug socket and 2 USB ports. I'll take you around the other side of the bed. It's similar, slightly different though. So you've got your plug socket, USB ports, of course the lamp. However, this side does have your telephone, should you need to use that. There's the QR code there, but this one also has a pencil and paper. Now next to that is the wardrobe I just showed you, just head to toe in artwork. It's really nice. Inside, it lights up. So that's quite cool. But there's coat hangers, you've got your ironing board, iron, Tasha's trainers. There's also this laundry service. Feel free to take a look. And on the door there is another mirror. I say another, I've not showed you the first one. And on the other side is where the goodies are. There's an espresso machine, it's red, Radisson Red, it fits quite well. Some red cups, your kettle, and in this little compartment you'll find your milk, coffee, tea, sugar and pods for the machine. And down below that is the safe. In this drawer here is the hairdryer, and in the one below is empty. It's just some extra storage for you. Now if you've watched our videos before, you know I love a mini fridge, which I've put some flavoured water in. Gotta love a mini fridge in a hotel though. Keep your drinks nice and cool. I'll close that over and show you the rest of the room. Behind me, the sun's out, but we've got this seating area. There are 2 seats. It is covered in our stuff, so sorry about that. Underneath you'll find a bench. But one cool feature of this room I'll show you right here. You can get pizza delivered to your room. You can collect it as well, that's free. There's a £2 charge. But there's some really nice sounding pizzas here. Take a little look. Down below though, there's a bin. And here's that mirror I mentioned. Hadn't showed you yet. But yeah, there's a mirror on the wall. Some more sockets. There's also a massive TV. It's huge. And at the bottom of the bed there is another bench, which is also huge. And up above there is your aircon system, and on the wall just here are the controls. And my favourite part of the whole room is the view. It's a beautiful day here in Glasgow, and I'll show you. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. The River Clyde just down there. I'll pan it around for you. You can spot STV, and in the distance over there, there's Ibrox Stadium. What a lovely view though. We're up on the 7th floor, so we are up high. Stunning. So next up, I have the bathroom to show you. Stay tuned guys. Now let's go into the bathroom. First thing you'll notice is the massive sink. Really modern and clean. Where you'll find some complimentary hand wash, tissues, and a couple of glass tumblers. And to the left hand side we have a vanity kit and a shower cap. There are 2 face cloths and this lovely mirror. To the right hand side of that you'll find a towel reel, a couple towels and hand towels, and right here is a Save the Planet sign. Now I'll show you this to the right. I do think this is quite smart. The tiles look like a giant boat. Really smart. Down below that though, you'll find your toilet, and to the right, a giant walk-in shower. Really modern, nice, and the shower head is actually built into the ceiling. And just below there is a handheld as well, if you need to use that. They do give you complimentary toiletries as well. So there is shampoo, conditioner and body wash. And there is just a bath mat as well, if you need to use that. No complaints here about the bathroom. Modern, lovely, spacious. Yeah, what more could you want? So when we checked in, we made a reservation down in the hotel's restaurant, bar and grill. It's down on the bottom floor. So right now we're going to go and check that out. Hopefully it's tasty. I'll show you guys some clips of the food and we'll let you know how it was. Let's go guys.
I'm going to have terrible breakfast.
A breakfast dinner? We've just had our food in the restaurant. What did you think of that?
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10? Yeah, I'd give it about the same. My starter was cauliflower and potato soup, and the bread was mouldy. Yep, you heard that right, the bread in my starter was actually mouldy. We sent it back and luckily it was taken off the bill at the end. We weren't sure if that was going to happen. We were kind of expecting it, but luckily it was. I wouldn't have been happy paying for mouldy bread. Tash, she had, what did you have?
Cheese and gravy.
Yes, chips, cheese and gravy. I didn't think we'd ever see the day you'd come to a Radisson.
It was the only thing I would eat in the starter section, so yeah. I didn't have much choice.
There wasn't many starter options, but yeah. Chips, cheese and gravy in the Radisson. No bad. And our main course, we both had the same thing. It was called the Meat PKR pizza. They were really fresh, lovely. Her one, she thought it was pretty spicy, but
I wasn't a fan of as much meat, but yours didn't have as much, so
yeah, my one wasn't as meaty as Tasha's. A little bit inconsistent, but the flavours coming through were lovely. I can't complain on that.
The drinks were pretty steep.
Yeah, drinks wise, steep. I mean, I had tap water. My drink was free. You had a can of Fanta.
A can of Fanta that was £3.10.
Yeah, £3.10 for Fanta. And it's just a 330ml can. Quite steep for a can of juice. But the bill, with the soup taken off, came at £36.63. Yeah, not bad. 6 out of 10?
Yeah.
6 out of 10. Onwards with our stay. So there we have it, guys. That was the room tour here at the Radisson Red in Glasgow. This is a superior room and it was based at £139. That's the price of the standard rooms here, so thanks to booking.com for the free upgrade. Now the rooms here, as you can see, they're huge, they're spacious, and we got a good sleep. They're a little stuffy, but we got a good night's sleep here. The location of the hotel, if you're going to any sort of events in Glasgow, concerts, then the location is fantastic. It's near the SEC and the Hydro, and there's also lots of restaurants round about. You won't have any problems finding food. The only problem we've had here has to be the food downstairs last night. It wasn't great, and meh, the mouldy bread, no good. But if you're looking for a decent stay in Glasgow, up near the SEC, then make sure you come and check out Radisson Red. Let us know down below, what did you think? If you can, drop a thumbs up on the video, it really helps our channel grow, and if you feel like it, click down below and click subscribe, because it really helps us out. Now, thanks for watching. We've been Forest Thrills. Until next time.